Hey sis, let's get into this video. We're starting off with the wand curl tutorial on a textured wig that is great for blending both 4B and 4C textures. Now after shampooing, we're going to simply detangle the hair, then take the wig section by section and blow it out with the blow dryer, making sure to get to the roots for a seamless blend. Once this is complete, you'll go in with the wand curler and wand curl small to medium section. Wrap the hair around and depending on the heat setting of your iron, keep the curl on the iron for at least 10 seconds. Then release and repeat throughout the entirety of your wig. As a style tip, it's easiest to complete this portion using a headstand so that you can see and ensure proper proportions throughout. Once you've completed the wig, it's time to wand curl your leave out and make sure to curl away from your face. Notice that there's very little leave out compared to the traditional U-part, as this wig only requires smaller amounts. Now we'll install the wig, and I like to start with the middle security clip and then work my way outwards to the sides, securing with the side and back combs. Next, only using your hands and no comb sis, you'll fluff out your curls. Use scissors to shape around your face if needed, and then add your choice of edge control to lay down parts of your leave out. Voila! These voluminous wand curls for the win. Next, let's get into this wash and go. We'll use the same wig and shampoo it again, but this time we want the hair in its natural texture, so we'll forfeit the blow dryer for setting lotion and lots of it. We'll part the wig in sections, detangle, and then apply additional setting lotion to ensure all strands are evenly coated and saturated. We'll brush through with the detangling brush and allow the curls to remain undisturbed until completely dry. Next, we'll prep our hair by simply pulling our leave out back, as this style allows for little to no leave out. Securing the wig again and then pulling apart the curls gently to create more volume. However, if you want to maintain your definition, refrain from excess pulling. I'll frame the curls to shape my face again and then wet my fingers with water for parts that are too frizzy. That way this will reactivate the setting lotion as to form a curl again. And it's as simple as that, sis. This look came together so well, and I'm super happy with how I'm able to get maximum wear out of this wig by True and Pure Texture. I'll make sure to indicate all of the details of this wig below in the description box, so make sure to look there so that you can purchase one too and utilize the discount code. I hope this tutorial helped, and I look forward to the next one.